This is why you need to know about the common murray. It's a bird with no need for nests. That's right. The common murray, also known as the nesting-free bird, lays its eggs on the bare rock of cliff edges. These eggs are pear-shaped to prevent them from rolling off. How cool is that? Murres have this unique adaptation so they can avoid predators and harsh weather. Their eggs are also speckled, making them blend perfectly with the rocky surface. Nature's camouflage at its finest. And guess what? Both parents take turns keeping the egg warm and safe, sharing the responsibility equally. Talk about teamwork. So next time you think of birds and nests, remember the incredible common murre. Proof that nature always finds a way to adapt. Like and subscribe for more amazing bird facts.